What's going on, everybody? If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Joey Andron. I'm a licensed real estate agent in Las Vegas with Huntington & Ellis, and today I am in Green Valley, and I'm gonna be taking you guys on a tour of this beautifully renovated home. When I say it's been renovated, that is an understatement. This home went under a full transformation, and I can't wait to show it to you. This home is 3,549 square feet, 5 bedrooms with 3 bathrooms. It has beautiful white paint, black garage doors, you have artificial turf, and it's a corner lot. And I even like the little balcony off of the bedroom right there. This house has so much curb appeal, it is gorgeous. They even blacked out the top of the chimney up there. Everything about this house just hits. It is amazing. I can't wait to show you on the inside. So let's get in here because I think you guys are really gonna appreciate this home. All right, as soon as we come in, we're greeted by 18-foot ceilings. And I love the colors that they chose in this house because it's so neutral. It feels really soft, very inviting, very bright. You have luxury vinyl plank all throughout the house. So you have on the first floor, the stairs, and the second floor. We have a nice living room here with the gray slate tile around the fireplace. And the arch windows, very signature for the 90s, but I believe those arches are coming back in style. But this is a great space here. You know, the homes that were built in the 90s, they always offered a lot of space. Compared to the new homes that they're building now, they're becoming smaller and more expensive. So we do have a lot of steps in this house. That's one thing. If you're concerned about steps, this home has a lot of them. So as we come up 3 more steps, we're in the integrated dining area and kitchen. You have a nice island with the waterfall edge, quartz countertops. And then I love the 2-tone cabinets that they chose here on the perimeter. All of these cabinets will be soft close, full dovetail. And this is one of my favorite features is the industrial oven. How would you guys like to cook in this kitchen? If you're a chef or an aspiring chef, look at that. How cool is this? It just makes you want to cook. You have a large oven on this side and a small oven on this side. 6-burner cooktop with the griddle. And one of the most underrated features in a house, in my opinion, is the pot filler. Then also here in the island, we have our microwave. So if I have a push of a button, that just opens up, closes right there. We also have a built-in stainless steel Gen Air refrigerator. The orientation of this house, the backyard's gonna be facing east, so you're gonna get beautiful sunrise, and you won't get beat up by the afternoon sun in the summertime. But thank goodness for the swimming pool, which we're gonna check out in a little bit. All right, making our way down a few more steps. They're showing this as the formal dining area, but of course, you can make this your great room. Put a television right there. You have the fireplace right here. So this can be a really nice, cozy area. You even have a wet bar on this side with the refrigerator. So this home is perfect for entertaining. Gives a lot of space to be, to move around, or if you just have a large family, this is a great house because everybody will have their own space. Here we have a ensuite with access to the backyard. Here we have a single sink vanity and really beautiful beige porcelain tile. Again, everything in this house is just neutral and feels bright. They didn't use crazy color patterns or eye-popping backsplashes. Everything's very neutral. Here we have our laundry room. So we have our Bosch appliances, and check out this, how cool this is. It's a little doggy wash. So if you have a little furry friend, wash them right here. You don't have to put them in the bathroom or wash them outside. You can do all that right here. A lot of storage in this house as well. Now you see a lot of elevation changes or height changes in the ceiling. So we have a drop ceiling here that's gonna be about, let's say almost 9 or 8.5 feet. And then as you can see, it vaults up as we step up. Back into the kitchen. And as we head upstairs, as I mentioned, luxury vinyl plank on the stairs. And we step into our first bedroom. This is gonna be 13 by 16. Very large bedroom with a walk-in closet. There's a light in there somewhere. And this bedroom is going to be identical. The only difference is it comes with a balcony. Step outside. You can zoom in over here. You can see there's some snow on the mountain. That's going to be Red Rock. As we swing over here, we got the Spring Mountains on that side. So nice mountain views. And here we have the same closet. So again, these are going to be identical. And then all three bedrooms upstairs will share this bathroom. So you have the dual sink on the vanity, brown cabinets, and a shower tub combination. This is kind of neat. This opens up here. This is an awesome detail. I love that they did the LED light in the soap niche. All right, so this is bedroom number 3. We have, I want to say 12-foot ceilings, upgraded recessed lighting. I mean, this room is huge. This is a really nice size room. The other ones are really nice size as well. Most rooms nowadays are 10 by 10 or 10 by 12s, so those are really nice. All right, so we go up a couple more steps and we're gonna come into the primary bedroom. We have French doors that open up and a sizable primary bedroom. Full seating area here, a lot of windows. And the electric fireplace. Now this fireplace will emit heat, so you can just control it right here. And you can also change the colors there as well. So your television would go right above that fireplace. And the primary bathroom. This is like a spa bathroom. You have the freestanding tub, beautiful tile surrounds with the frameless glass shower. And the arched mirrors, I like how they're keeping that consistent. And the water closet just around the corner there. And they did build out the closets here too, which is nice. So a lot of storage space here. It goes all the way around the corner. All right, guys, I would love to hear your thoughts on this home, so make sure you leave all of your comments below. Now, just to recap, this house is 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3,549 square feet, listed for $839,000. If you want more information or if you'd like to schedule a private showing, make sure you reach out to me. All my contact information is below. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you on the next video.